Hi Ellie, it's great to speak with you again. And thank you very much for your submission. I hope you enjoyed Island 2. On this island you learned about things like verbs for activities such as watch TV, play tennis, read a book, go for a walk. We looked at vocabulary of sports like snowboarding, badminton and table tennis. We also looked at pronunciation of some vowel sounds in the words cat, gate, my, we, go, on and in. And we also looked at punctuation, including capital letters, full stops, commas and apostrophes. Now the writing mission was to write about a sport you are interested in and to make sure you spelled the words correctly and use suitable punctuation. So now let's take a look at your writing. First, I want to thank you very much for your wonderful description of figure skating. I thoroughly enjoyed reading about it. Let's take a look first at your punctuation. Now you remember to use capital letters at the start of sentences, and you did very well. I can see, for example, capital F, capital I, capital T, capital S, capital T, and all the way through you did a very good job with capital letters. I also like the way you use capital I to talk about yourself. Very good. You also were very good with full stops at the end of sentences. Excellent work. I also noticed your use of commas for short pauses. You used a short pause after then and another one after also. Excellent work. Now let's take a look at your description of figure skating. First, you said figure skating is a very famous sport. That's an excellent sentence to start your writing. Be very careful. Figure skating is a very famous sport, so we can take away the S because it's a singular idea, isn't it? Okay. Now, I love the way you describe how it's played. You mention you have one player at a time and they compete with each other to win. Now, just be very careful. When you use the verb compete, you need to say with. They compete with each and then other. Take away the S. Now, part of your description, you mention a famous skater called Una Kim. And you said how hard Una Kim has worked to become a successful skater. You also mentioned that you wear special shoes and you do ballet motions. I love your use of the verb do with ballet motions. That's very good. You also mentioned how figure skating can be done indoors and outdoors. And you used the correct verb, played. Well done. Now I notice you said it's your dream to become a figure skater. And I'm sure if you work very hard, you'll be very successful. So, thank you very much, Ellie, for your excellent work. I really enjoyed reading about figure skating, and I look forward to speaking with you again when you do Island 3. Bye-bye.